Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this one. It's just a nice, simple, quick card using my stamp set, Sentimental Swirls. This is the stamp set I helped design as part of achieving my 1 million in personal sales, which happened over 2 years ago, back in 2020, at the start of 2020. But I thought I'd make a simple card. Now, this is basic black and cherry cobbler being my favourite red. But I thought I'd make a slightly different variation for you using basic grey, because I had the card blank prepped and ready, because you know, waste not, want not, and shaded spruce, because I've no idea what that might look like. So, okay, I need to bring in some grid paper, and that's going to disjoint all my lighting, but it's because I'm going to stamp all over. Oh no, I don't want that one. So I've basically cut a piece of cardstock in half, cut it in half and scored it in half, and then my white layer is 1/2 centimetre shorter and narrower. And I'm going to get my stamp and just let it relax on here. Look, that is so well loved. It really is. Look at the state of that stamp. And my shaded spruce, and I'm just going to randomly stamp all over. So just, yeah, just all over, swirls everywhere. Okay, swirls everywhere. Right, let's shift that. And then what I want to do with a block smaller than that is get my little butterfly. She's so sweet. It's probably still too big a block, but that's okay. I don't mind. And I'm just going to, actually, I think I'm going to have it that way around. And I'm going to put butterflies in basic grey, just scattered, just about 5 of them. However many you do, make it an odd number. 5, 7, 3, however many you want. And then I have some Whisper White here. Let me grab another block, and then I want this bigger flower, and I'm going to punch this out with the smaller one of the flowers and leaves punch. So always look to see what angle your punch out happens at. Am I going to be able to get that one on? I hope so. Let's see if I can. Because obviously this punch, it punches out 4 shapes all in one go. Am I going to get that one? Am I going to get that? Oh, I'm going to get one of them out. Okay. Need another bit of white. Here we go. And the last thing I'm going to do, I stamped thank you on this one, but I actually stamped it in the background colour and I feel it lost itself a little bit. So I'm going to go with a bigger one. So I'm going to grab with a bigger one. I'm not going with a bigger one at all. The darker shade. So I'm going to get that thank you on there. Just at the bottom. Long pair of scissors. Chop that off, and then I'm going to flag tail the ends. I might trim that down a tiny, teeny little bit. There we go. Okay, let's start assembling. So my flowers the 3 that I'm going to use, I'm going to put, what I'm doing is I'm just making them 3D, and then I'm going to put rhinestones in the centres of all 3. Okay, and then I've got some of this. This is technically grey granite, but you know, we'll run with it. And I just want a little bit behind, not loads. Just a little bit. So I'm going to get some Seal. Is this Seal Plus? It is. Seal Plus on the back there, and some dimensionals on the back as well. And I'm going to start assembling because I'm not sure where I'm going to position everything just yet. So there's my card. Oops. Ugh. Just tear up the paper. Let's get a different glue. Oh, it's stuck to my fingers and it won't stick on the bin. There we go. And do I go there? Do I go there? I'm not sure. Let me take the backing off and kind of make my decision then. I'm kind of liking it. I'm kind of liking it up there, which is actually very similar to where I originally put the first one. But, you know, it's all good. And then I'll get some mini glues. I really need to re-roll these the other way around because, yeah. And I'm going to gum myself up with everything. So 2 colours, 1 stamp set and a pair of scissors and 2 rather lovely cards. I don't know which one I prefer. I rather like the shaded spruce with the basic grey. That's really quite nice, but of course cherry cobbler is my favourite colour. So I hope you like them. I hope that the idea gives you a little bit of inspiration on how to use my stamp set. Grab it while you can. Sentimental Swirls. Thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you soon. Bye.